friends. Today we're going to do some math activities using a 5-frame. You know what a 5-frame is. A 5-frame is a rectangle that has been divided into 5 equal parts by drawing 4 vertical lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, from top to bottom to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares or frames. I'm going to be using these 2 10 frames. I've highlighted half of the top 10 frame using this whiteboard marker. And that will be the 5-frame we use. The first activity we're going to be doing today is a counting activity. How many dots do you see? That's right, 1. How many more to make 5? 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have 1, you need 1, 2, 3, 4 more to make 5. How many dots do you see? 1, 2. How many more to make 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need 1, 2, 3 more to make 5. 2 and 3 more make 5. How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3. How many more to make 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, you need 2 more to make 5. I'm going to draw another 5-frame down here. How many dots do you see? 1, 2. How many more to make 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 2 more make 5. 2 and 3 more make 5. How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more to make 5? I bet you know. 1 more to make 5. The 5-frame is full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many more to make 5? 0. Now we're going to work on 1 more, or more than. We're going to start with an empty 10 frame. When you have an empty 10 frame, you have 0. What's 1 more than 0? That's right, 1. 1 is 1 more than 0. 1. What's 1 more than 1? That's right. 1, 2. 2 is one more than 1. 2. What's one more than 2? That's right, 3. 3 is one more than 2. 1, 2, 3. What's one more than 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is one more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's one more than 4? 5. 5 is one more than 4. I'm going to show you what this looks like with a number line. Here's a number line. Let's start with 0. What's one more than 0? 1. 1 is one more than 0. What's one more than 1? 2. 2 is one more than 1. What is one more than 2? 3. 3 is one more than 2. 3. What's one more than 3? 4. 4 is one more than 3. 4. What's one more than 4? 5. 5 is one more than 4. Let's go back to the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's one less than 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's one less than 4? 1, 2, 3. What's one less than 3? 1, 2. What's one less than 2? That's right, 1. What's one less than 1? 0. You can make 5 frames at home. I made some 5 frames using this popcorn box. I made 6 rectangles, all about the same size. I took a marker and outlined the outside of the rectangle and drew 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical lines to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames of about the same size. Then I began drawing dots in my frames. I'm going to show you how to use your homemade 5 frames in order to do some of the activities I just showed you with this magnetic 10 frame board. Here's 1, 2, 3 dots. You can start by asking your child, how many dots? It's perfectly fine for your child to come up and count and touch the frames. Eventually, they'll get so good at this that they'll be able to recognize the amount without counting. So how many on this frame? 3. How many more to make 5? 1, 2. You have 3. What's one more than 3? What's one less than 3? You can make your own number line. I made this number line using poster board. You just draw a straight line Put an arrow on the front, put an arrow on the end, and make numbers as far as you want to go, starting with 0. Try to make the numbers equal distance apart and put a dot above the number. These activities that I just showed you today will help your child with counting, number sense, and they're excellent adding, and subtracting activities. I will add some directions below the video to help you when you're working with your child. Bye, friends.